In the last video, we took a look at page breaks. In this one, I want to take a look at scaling. Scaling also affects how much shows up on a page. You can increase the number of pages, you can decrease the number of pages. And there's three things we're going to take a look at. We're going to look at adjusting the width, the height, and pretty much the entire thing when we take a look at scale. All of these can be found in the same area. So here I have too wide. We're going to take a look at adjusting width first. I'm in my Home tab. Now I need to go somewhere else. I'm going to go to Page Layout, which again is where most of this stuff is found. And over here is Scale to Fit. Well, this is too wide. This is way too wide. Let's take a look at what it would look like normally printed out. We showed you this in the last video. View, Page Break Preview. So this normally would be page 1, page 2, page 3. It would be 3 pages wide. I want to say let's put it on 2 pages. Over here again, Scale to Fit. Width, that's what I want to play with. It's too wide. I'm going to click the drop down. And let's say I want this on 2 pages. I'm going to click 2. And now I have page 1 and page 2. It will scale this information down to fit on 2 pages. Let's say I want this on 1 page. Click on 1 page. And now it has scaled the entire thing down. When this prints out, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to scale it down enough that it shows up on 1 page. So that is adjusting the width. Let's adjust the height. I already have it set where you can see it. Remember, View, Page Break Preview. And we have page 1. There's the break. It's a dotted break, which means this is automatically set. And here's page 2. So I have 2 pages that this is going to print out on. I'm going to go to Page Layout. Let's say I want 1 page. I'm going to go to Height this time. And I will set it to 1 page. Now, all of this is going to be on 1 page. Notice the dashes are gone. So this is 1 page now. If we want to adjust scaling altogether, we can do that as well. Here we have something that's just way too big. You can see this is page 1, page 3, page 5, I believe, over there, page 2, page 4, and page 6. So this is a huge, huge, huge document. And let's say I don't want to print it out on 6 pages. In this case, I can adjust the overall scaling of the document. I can play here, and this affects the entire document. Go up to here, and I can adjust the overall scaling. So let's make this 50% of the size. I'm going to type in the number 50, hit enter. And now you see page 1, page 2. So this will show up on 2 pages. Let's say I want this on 1 page. Go back up here, type in 25, hit enter. And now when I print this out, it will fit to 1 single page. Now 25% didn't ensure that. That was just good for this document. But scaling will make this either bigger or smaller to fit on 1 page. Think of it as the zoom function on a photocopier. You can adjust how much of a zoom you have on a document. So let's say you photocopy 1 single page. You can make the photocopy of that page even smaller. The page still remains the same size, but the content can get even smaller and smaller and smaller as it's being photocopied out. So that's what scaling does. I can also go the opposite way. Let's make this even bigger. Let's make this 200%. Originally, it was 6 pages. Now, look how many more pages we have. So scaling goes 2 ways. You can either make it bigger or you can make it smaller.